Welcome students. Let us see a very interesting question, very simple question from the chapter sets. This question is based on the concept of disjoint sets. You know, two sets are known as disjoint sets if there is no element common in these two sets. Means intersection of these two sets is a null set, is an empty set, isn't it? So if any one element is common in two sets, sets are not disjoint. If no element is common in two sets, sets are known as disjoint sets. So this is the concept. So here see the question. State whether each of the following statements is true or false. Justify your answer. First is set having elements 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6 are disjoint sets. So what will be our answer here? Here given that these sets are disjoint sets. Is it correct? No, this is not correct, because this element 3 is common in both the sets. So as we told you that two sets are disjoint sets only when no element is common. So here our justification is that these two sets 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6 are having a common element, isn't it? So these sets are not disjoint sets. Clear? Now we can attempt second question also. A, E, I, O, U and A, B, C, D are disjoint sets. No, these two sets are not disjoint because A is common. So at least one element is common, sets are not disjoint. So our answer will be here that A, E, I, O, U and A, B, C, D are not disjoint. What is the reason? As element A is common in both the sets. As A is common in both the sets. So as we know that two sets are disjoint only when intersection of these two sets is a null set, an empty set. Okay, and third part of the question, 2, 6, 10, 14 and 3, 7, 11, 15 are disjoint sets. So you see, yes, these two sets are disjoint sets because no element is common in these two sets. Okay, so here we can write 2, 6, 10, 14 and 3, 7, 11, 15 are disjoint sets because no element is common in these sets. So hope you have understood how we can justify that whether two given sets are disjoint sets or not disjoint sets. So students, please keep watching these videos and enjoy learning mathematics.